Babies, welcome to Donna's Spot with me, Donna. Today I have a product that I received the other day from Tryit Sampling. It's called Robitussin Naturals, Cough Relief and Immune Health, Ivy Leaf, and Vitamin C, made with real elderberry and a touch of real honey for added flavor. And you get 30 of these for 30 of these in a bottle. So we're opening it up. I do not have a cold. I know my hair looking kind of crazy, but it is what it is. Of course, your seal. Ew. They say elderberries is good for you. So I'm hoping that this works out for my immune health. And you're supposed to take 3 gummies. And this is what the gummies look like. Well, there's a 10-day supply if you're taking 3 gummies, and it's 30 in a jar. It's sugary on the outside. It's, it smells like elderberry. You know, because I've smelt it before, so it tastes like what I feel like it smells like. It's got a little twang to it, like a little sour twang. It's good, actually. I can't really compare it and tell you what it tastes like, 'cause I never tasted nothing like this before. It kind of reminds me of like Sour Patch candy. It's sour, but it's not too sour. I'll say this, it's worth trying out to build up my immune system. I really can't say either way. I don't know if it'll build up my immune system. We'll try it. I do not have cough, so I can't say if it's a cough relief or not. I can say it's new. I can say it's uniquely tasting. So we'll have to see. Until next time, I'm going to see you later. Please hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you'll always know when I'm uploading. And I'm going to bid you adieu.